In this video, I'll show you how to add dependencies in Microsoft Planner. Before we start, it's important to know that Microsoft Planner does not have traditional task dependencies like Microsoft Project. That means you cannot create automatic links such as finish to start, where one task automatically controls the schedule of another task. However, you can still manage dependencies in Planner by using labels, checklists, task descriptions, comments, buckets, and careful task organization. First, open Microsoft Planner and select the plan you want to work with. Review your project tasks and decide which tasks depend on others. For example, design homepage may need to finish before build homepage, and review content may need to finish before publish website. Next, open the task that depends on another task. In the task description, write a clear note explaining the dependency. For example, you can write, this task should start after the homepage design is approved. This helps everyone understand what needs to happen first. You can also use the checklist feature to track dependency steps. Open the task card, go to checklist, and add items such as wait for design approval, confirm content is final, or receive client feedback. As each dependency is completed, tick it off. Another helpful method is to use labels. Create a label called blocked, waiting, or dependency. Apply this label to any task that cannot move forward yet. This makes it easy to scan your board and see which tasks are waiting on something else. You can also create buckets that represent workflow stages. For example, use buckets like backlog, ready, blocked, in progress, review, and completed. If a task depends on another task, place it in the blocked bucket until the earlier task is finished. For communication, use comments inside the task. Tag the person responsible, and explain what is needed before the task can continue. For example, write, waiting for final logo files before this task can begin. This keeps the update connected to the task instead of getting lost in chat messages. If your project needs real dependency tracking, timelines, milestones, and automatic schedule changes, consider using Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is designed for more advanced planning and includes proper dependency features. So, while Microsoft Planner does not support automatic dependencies, you can still manage them manually using descriptions, checklists, labels, buckets, and comments. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.